When someone is trying for a fresher role or an entry level position, especially in IT, many people have this misconception that since they are applying for entry level positions, they need not have to do any certifications, they can just go with a zero knowledge. This is the misconception many of the IT job seekers have. Even if you are a fresher or even if you are trying for an entry level position, then companies expect you to have a very good knowledge on the role that you are trying to apply for. And if you have certifications, that will make you stand out compared to all other freshers or people who are applying for entry level positions. You can't go with zero knowledge on hand, but rather you must be very well trained in the role that you are going for. You must have a lot of hands-on practice in the role. You need not have to practice like an experienced person, but then you need to know what you are talking about. You need to do some certifications. You need to have a lot of conceptual and theoretical knowledge, of course hands-on knowledge as well. All these combined, if you apply for an entry level position, if you are able to talk with confidence with all the technical skill and certification skill that you have procured, you will be able to easily pass that interview and get the job.